Okay, so we've made it to Canberra station because we're taking the train to Sydney because today is a pretty exciting day. We've got Women's World Cup opening Australian match down in Sydney, so we've got to get down there today, and then we've got a couple of extra days down in Sydney. Should be really good, and I'll be taking you along for the journey. First off, train to Sydney, take about 4 hours. Okay, so we're about 2 hours on the journey. Hopefully you can hear me. Last hour and a half, just been looking out at the scenery, heading from Canberra into the Southern Highlands. And now, next couple of hours, I'll probably continue editing this week's video, which has proven to be not difficult, but definitely has its challenges, trying to work out how to put new things in, like photos, and how to integrate them into the video. But yeah, so we got the video. Hopefully this video turns out alright.
Proceed again on one of our many XPT and Explorer services.
Okay, so we've made it to Sydney. We're at Central and got about 3 hours before you have to check into hotel. Not have to, but probably want to, so we can get ready for the game. So in that time, probably just drop our bags there and then head and get some lunch. Okay, so we've made it to our hotel. We're very lucky, got early check-in. You might see me looking away because Arsenal are playing at the moment. Might as well watch them. Ooh, close. Yeah, so we got early check-in, so makes it pretty easy. We'll probably get lunch at some point, probably when the game ends, and then I'll probably go for a run, and then we'll get ready for the game, which is tonight at 8 o'clock, but trying to get to the stadium pretty early, like 2 hours before kickoff, just because of what happened in Qatar with all of the ticketing issues. So yeah, I'll probably catch you when we head for lunch. Okay, so we're on our way to get some lunch. I think there's a decent steak special, $16 for a steak, which is pretty good, especially in Sydney. But yeah, on our way to get some lunch, and then probably a run for me.
And no selling it.
Okay, so it's run time. Not sure how long this is going to be, just because my back is a bit sore, so it's probably best just to warm it up, loosen it, and see how far I go. I think I'll probably do maybe 20 minutes. But yeah, let's go. run is done. Just missed my train back to the accommodation, but luckily next train is very soon. But yeah, once we get to accommodation, gonna shower and then get ready to go to the game, which I'm very excited for. It should be a packed house, 80,000 plus, which should be awesome. But yeah, first, let's catch the train back to accommodation after a good half-hour run. It's one of my favorite ways to get around a new city. And then yeah, let's get on the train.
St. Peter's, Sydenham, then all stations to Bankstown, then Uduma, Huron, Regent's Park, Barossa,
Seeing as the lift, there's only one lift at the moment, so it's probably better to use the stairs, that's for sure. Just because or else it's going to take way too long. Plus a bit more exercise. Okay, so had my shower after what was a very, very good run, and also got ready. We're about to head off for the game, just waiting for Zane to send over a ticket, just because the way that we sorted tickets out is a bit confusing. But yeah, can't wait for this game.
First up, we have our very own Aussie Matildas versus the Republic of Ireland.
Okay, so we've made it to the stadium. It's only, what, 5:30, half an hour before gates open. It's already relatively busy, which is always good. There's all entertainment everywhere, lights, music, beer gardens. Okay, made it into the stadium. Got about an hour and a half till kickoff. Just thought best to get up here early as, because look how steep these stairs are. They are so steep, but I mean, what can you do? At least get the full pitch in view. But yeah, come on the Matildas. Matildas! Quite scrappy, but my word, had pretty much everything except more goals, but overall great experience for a first World Cup game, especially being on home soil and seeing the Matildas win. Come on. Okay, so all done for today. It's currently, what, 1 o'clock. Just when we got back, had a drink and a snack and then got ready for bed. And now I'm heading off to bed because I'm shattered. I was up at, what, 5:30 this morning? Well, was it yesterday morning? And yeah, it's been an action-packed day. And tomorrow, hopefully is a bit more chill. Just go, hopefully, probably for a run in the morning, and then go for a walk from, I think, gonna do the coastal walk from Coogee to Bondi, and then from there, might go for a swim at Bondi, depending on the weather. Might help with my back, which is mega stiff at the moment, which is making everything uncomfortable. But yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed today's vlog. Make sure you subscribe, and yeah, see ya.